Hi everyone, Coach Brian from Optimal Health Performance or ohponline.net. And today I wanted to share one postural corrective exercise called a cervical extension isometric. Now, one of the things that tends to happen for most people is we end up with a very forward posturing of our head, neck, and shoulders due to too much time on the computer, driving, like everything that we do is out in front of us. And so we tend to be staring either at our windshield or at our cell phones or down at your computer. So of course, aside from the ergonomics of making sure that your workstation or that your seat in your car is set appropriately, different things like that, one of the things that we can do from an exercise standpoint is a cervical extension isometric. So extension means that we're extending the head back into a neutral position. Now, we don't necessarily want to extend your head back like this, but what we want to do is translate and extend back into a neutral position. So here at our fitness studio, we'll use something called a Dynadisc. It's a little air pouch disc that sometimes we use for balance drills, but we can also use it for the neck. Now, isometrics should be done for 8 to 10 seconds at a time, gradually ramping up your effort or maximal voluntary contraction. So if we were gonna do about 8 reps, we would do 2 of them at about 25% effort, and then a couple more 50%, a couple more at 75%, and then your last 2 pushing kind of as hard as you can. So pressure point wise, we want to be in that occipital area of your skull in the back of your head. We're going to take our pillow and put it against the wall. I'm going to stagger my feet, which you can't see so well in this video, but I have 1 foot forward and 1 back. And then from this position, simply what I'm trying to do is translate or push my head straight back into the pillow and bring my shoulders back and down and slowly count to 8 in my head, or reverse count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax, okay? So you could take the pillow out in between reps. You could do a quick lateral flexion stretch if your neck feels a little bit tight. So in this particular position, what I'm doing is I'm actually taking my hands behind my back. If I pull down on my right hand and side bend left, I'm distracting the shoulder and getting a nice stretch on my trapezius muscles right here. So guys, this is your cervical extension isometric. We should be doing 8 to 10 repetitions a couple of times a day, especially if you know that we're working on postural awareness and trying to increase muscle tone in the paraspinal muscles of your upper back and neck to help maintain better posture. Thanks for listening.